I got them off and got them changed, and what we found is, you see, like if you pushed it, you see there's no pressure on that one, but if you push that one, you see it's still solid. So in other words, that you can tell why it's bust. So that's what happened. So what we did then is I sourced them, but I sourced them from this place called Auto Ross, and it said that they were from Milton Keynes, and they actually produced them rather than just get a cheaper one on eBay. I paid me £3 or £4 more, and they actually produced them as a business, gas struts, so I got better quality ones. So I think that's worth doing, and then you know you've got good quality. They sent me out 400s instead of 410s, which I wondered if it would be an issue, but looking at it, if you watch when it opens, you see, and from here it's actually a lot stronger than it ever was. So you still have to hold it really when you open it, and then to push it down, it's a lot stiffer. And then, you know, push. You see, I need to learn how to push it a bit harder now. So it's absolutely fine 400s. So good quality stuff, that Autoros ones, and quite an easy job to fix. So at least it works now.